In this video, I'm going to explain how you can cancel Wix Premium and how you can be eligible for a refund. So here from the homepage of Wix, we want to use the search bar and we're simply going to search for Premium. So right here, we will see Premium subscription settings as well as Premium subscriptions. So we want to choose the second option, which is Premium subscriptions, and it will open up a new tab right here. So again, from the left hand side, just make sure you are on the Premium subscriptions page and you will see all of your websites that have a premium subscription here. So if we want to cancel it, we will simply click on the three dots next to the website name and then you will choose the option to cancel plan. Now, how can you be eligible for a refund? You will be eligible for a refund if 14 days haven't expired from your Wix plan. So for example, if you have gone over the 14-day mark, you won't be able to get a refund. But if you have used the premium plan for less than 14 days, then you will be able to get a refund and you will have to contact support right here from the help center. So I hope this was informative. I'm sorry that I can't show you exactly how to do it from here because I already canceled it, but that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.